Tired of using harsh chemicals that leave your bathroom smelling like a lab? Let's make it shine naturally with just a few ingredients you already have at home. In today's video, I will show you how to clean your bathroom without a single harsh chemical. Natural cleaning isn't just better for you. It's budget-friendly, eco-friendly, and honestly, it works just as well.
Today, we will use these simple ingredients to tackle all the trouble spots in your bathroom.
First up, let's make that smear shine without streaks. Just mix equal parts, vinegar and water, spray on it, and wipe with a paper towel.
Look at that shine!
For the sink and faucet, we will use baking soda and lemon juice. It's like a mini science experiment.
The lemon juice cuts through mineral buildup, while the baking soda adds a gentle scrub. Just sprinkle, add a splash of lemon, and scrub away.
Now for the toilet, here's a fun little trick. Sprinkle in baking soda and lemon juice, then add some vinegar. Watch the piece.
It's not just satisfying to watch. It helps lift stains and deodorize too.
For soap scum on tiles and shower walls, the vinegar and water mix is all you need.
Spray it on, let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe it down. It's easy and so effective.
To keep the bathroom smelling fresh, let's make a quick deodorizing spray.
Just water and a few drops of essential oil. I love using lavender or tea tree for a clear scent.
That's all. Clean, fresh bathroom with no harsh chemicals. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a like, subscribe for more, and share your own eco-friendly cleaning hacks in the comments.